Have you ever heard the saying, like begets like? This is the idea behind the law of gender, a universal principle that states that everything in the universe has a unique masculine and feminine energy. To understand this concept, consider the example of a seed. A seed has both masculine and feminine energy. The masculine energy represents the potential for growth and expansion, while the feminine energy represents the potential for nourishment and sustenance. These two energies are necessary for the seed to grow into a healthy plant. The masculine energy drives the seed to push upwards and outwards, while the feminine energy provides the necessary nourishment and sustenance. But why does the law of gender happen? There are a few reasons. Everything in the universe has a unique balance of masculine and feminine energy. This balance of masculine and feminine energy is necessary for creation and growth. The universe is a neutral entity that does not judge us, but simply reflects back to us the balance of masculine and feminine energy we put out. So how can you use the law of gender to your advantage and mitigate its negative impacts? Here are 5 strategies to consider. Practice balance. By striving for balance between masculine and feminine energy in your own life, you can create harmony and alignment. Embrace your unique balance of masculine and feminine energy. By embracing your unique balance of masculine and feminine energy, you can fully express your authentic self. Respect the balance of masculine and feminine energy in others. By respecting the balance of masculine and feminine energy in others, you can create positive relationships and experiences. Be mindful of your thoughts and actions. By being mindful of your thoughts and actions, you can ensure that you are putting out a balanced energy. Practice self-care. By taking care of your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, you can maintain a healthy balance of masculine and feminine energy.